is lying there, aka that beep, aka everybody and all that greatness. So today I want to show you the things I use to make my nails, my press-ons, just nails in general. So first up, again, I'm still having a giveaway where you can win press-on nails. So let's go. First up, let's go up. We'll have these tips. These are stiletto tips. These are long tips. I cut them. I just did this this hand looks better. Not too long ago. I got these tips off of Amazon for $12 something. And then I got clear tips also. I just got these clear tips. Next up, I have my nail clipper. Now I say this. Now you can use this to cut your nails, which is just a regular toe clipper, but it's very hard because it's hard to make something straight. Because you will have to like go this side and go this side because you really just can't. Because the tip is. So you could do this with. If you want to use this, I suggest use it with a regular tip that you put on the tip of your nail, because they're flimsy because you have to put acrylic over them. But with these are very hard and sturdy because you just put them over your nail. But for these, the full set, like if you're doing press-ons, you might want to just use this. And I got this from my beauty supply store, but you can get that from Amazon. Next, what you're gonna need a lot of are filers. I have more good filers. There are bad filers and good filers. So next you're gonna need, if you do acrylic, I really don't like acrylic, are acrylic powders. Then my monomer is somewhere around here and I don't feel like getting it. So in this next, put a picture of monomer. I use the Kiss palette. If you do acrylic, you're gonna need tips, which are these little things here. I hate them. They literally cut the circulation of my thumb. So, but you're gonna need these. I have a whole bunch of these. The white ones I can't. Now, the reason why I sometimes do, I'm gonna start doing more dip acrylic. So you need your dip kit. I found out that dipping your hands is much better. Now, this is a must-have if you don't do acrylic. You need some nail polish. And since I don't take clients, I don't have a lot of nail polish. But these are some of my favorite ones, like So, which is SOO. I got these from my local beauty supply. Sparkles. And then these are my favorite because they're so much coverage. They're the LA color. This is like a gel. LA color is like, it's supposed to act like gel. But I hate this color though. And then some cotton candy. And then I have my favorite base coat, which is the Express Nika K. Whenever I spill something, I never clean it off the bottle, so it's just the Nika K. This white, I need a new white polish, but this is my white polish. And what I have a lot of, and I keep one in my purse, and if school starts up again, I'll surely keep one in my bag, is nail glue, especially if you keep your nails very long. You want nail glue, especially with tips. With acrylic, I suggest you don't use nail glue. You just get them redone. But nail glue, and I use the Kiss Maximum Speed nail glue. But for brush on, like for the only reason I would use brush on nail glue is when I'm doing the dip powder acrylic. But here it is. And these I got from my local beauty supply store, and these are expensive. So I pick up a lot when I do go. And then this is my dip dish for when I do acrylic. This came in my Kiss palette. My things. Next I have my different utensils. These are my acrylic brushes. One is just a regular paint brushes. I use regular paint brushes, but as a tip, keep a bowl of acetone next to you, and as soon as you finish using it, you dip it into acrylic because acrylic hardens. And this, I feel like I wasted money, but it's a dotting tool. Like, you see how people make them dots? This is what you'll use it for. Now, when this is this acrylic stand, so you'll just put your nails on this. I got these this from Amazon, and then I got the blue stickers, and then I got these. You also can use a toothpicks, and those are better, but you don't want to brush very hard. But these are it. So this are the sheets. You just take one off, and then you place it onto your things. And then I want to try these, but not now. These are nail forms.
And it has another thing, cuticle pusher, and this is just my personal favorite.
I like to decorate my nails, so I have some rhinestones that I got from my beauty supply store. Small rhinestones, and this tool to pick up the rhinestones. Okay. So that's basically it for everything. Again, when I first started doing nails, I didn't think of anything really. I didn't really knew what I was doing. I literally I bought a kit with monomer, and I literally I killed myself and probably my whole family because monomer smells. That's like the only tip I have. Don't stop practicing, and if you're gonna practice with monomer, practice outside. If you don't want to use a UV light, LA Colors, which is this, if you want to use them, use these. These are very good. They act just like a gel. Like, let me see if I can. And the last but not least, I have a kit box, which I'm just gonna put this in slow-mo, but I'm gonna clean it up. But I just put everything in here. This is just my kit. Keeps everything in order. And I just put this up here. And last but not least, I like to show you these. I also got these from Amazon. These are your letters that you put on your nails. And I may put a picture. I don't think I have a picture with one on. And if I do, they probably don't look good. But yeah. I just got these letterings from off the Amazon. They have other ones, but so that's it. So thank you for watching this video. This was just something I wanted to do. I might just film a back-to-back video today, but my next video is probably going to do how I do my hair, because I do braid my hair by myself. So I'm just gonna give you some tips. So that's it for my video. We're on our road to 100 subscribers, and when we get to 100, I'm doing a giveaway where the winner will receive not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 pairs of press-on nails in the color of their choice. And they're also going to get something else. I'm not sure yet. But that's that. And I hope you enjoy my video. And it's back to school season, so I may or may not start my back to school series. I just have to see what my state is doing, because as you know or may not know, I live in the great city of New York. Well, not at the moment, they're not great, but I live in the great city of New York. They're saying they want to send us back to school, but I want to see something first, and then I'll show you my bag because sneak peek. Here's a sneak peek, and if you're a fan and you watch my video, you know that this isn't new. So I may film this video right now, so let me see how I feel. But I'm glad I got this video over with, and it was nice talking to you all again. So of course, I think I have to find one more thing for this video, because everything is in here except for one thing, and I know where that one thing is, and it's in my drawer. So I may do that back to school video whenever I get the confirmation that my behind is actually going back to school. Other than that, thanks for following me and supporting me. If you're new, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. And I hope you enjoyed this little video. Bye.